What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the homestead and we're going for something inside. Today we're going to show you all how to remove your pollen filter on your 2020 Super Duty. All right, guys, let's go. Guys, hope you all are doing well. What we're going to start off by doing here is popping this off. We're going to go ahead and give this trim piece a tug, pull it out. There are two 7 millis, they're kind of coppery colored, right here. Okay, once you get those screws out, let me remove my owner's manual first. Go ahead and with both hands, pop this out top first, and then I just worked my way around. There are 2 connectors here. Go ahead and get these disconnected. This one, and then this one's an airbag one, so we have a little red locking tab that we're fighting. Tabs off. I just can't depress the button. Okay, I got it off. Had to push it harder. But once you get that panel off, you can see your duct cover for your pollen filter. So what you're going to want to do is there are some tabs. You're just going to want to go ahead and get your finger around it and pop this tab. See how I'm pulling that? You're going to do the same thing. You're going to do the same thing here. I accidentally clip this one on. Okay, and then you see these 2 bottom feet have to go in, and you're going to pull this panel off like this. See, it says filter cover right there. And then you're just going to pull your air filter out. And notice it tells you the direction of airflow. Focus. It tells you the direction of the airflow and the part number if you guys do not know. I have not had to get one of these yet, but if you do, that is the number. This is 5,000 miles, so I'm thinking it might be time to maybe replace this or just keep an eye on it. But yeah, that's how you get to your pollen filter, guys. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Make sure to like, comment, sub, share how to replace your pollen filter on your 2020 Super Duty. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later.